Good morning viewers, welcome to our channel. Today I am back with another video. This video will be specially a guide to your detailing session. In fact, there has been questions from lot of my viewers which products they should use after which step. They are still bit confused. I have made several videos on ceramic coating, on car polishing and graphene coating, but still a section of my viewers wanted to know how they will follow each and every step. So for this I have chosen my Tata Altroz and I will specially work on this area. So it will be an example for you. So if you follow these steps properly, you can easily hand polish your car at home very effectively and very cost effectively, and it will give you a very good result. So let's start the procedure. Before starting this procedure, you should ensure that your body is dust free. So for this I will be using this Jopasu duster, which is my favorite, and I am using this duster from 2013. So I have removed all the dust from my car body. So before you start this process, ensure that your body is dust free. Now there will be lot of questions whether they will do to their new car also. Yes, definitely yes. New car definitely requires a paint protection. So this particular video will be also helpful for the new car owners. Now the next step will be that the surface is clean from all debris or anything like that. So for this I will go for a shampoo wash. Now you can use the bucket method, you can use a spray gun, whatever you have resources. So I will prefer a spray gun process. Now I will use a sponge so that I can agitate the dirt properly. Very gently I will do this. You can use an wash mitt also. I have got video how you will apply wash mitt, that you can see in my links below. I will provide you all the links in this video. Now I will wipe it dry. Remember, while shampooing your car, you should use a pH neutral shampoo. Now I have cleaned the entire car with shampoo water. Now here the question comes whether I should go for a clay bar. Now while you rub your hand through the car body, if you find there are some abrasions, you can feel with your hand easily, then I will definitely recommend to go for a clay bar. So after cleaning your car with shampoo, the next step will be to clay bar. If you find that you are not getting any feeling of abrasions on your car body, you can skip this step, but still I am going through this step as it will help you to easily understand the entire process. Give you the links if you are interested to buy this clay bar. Remember, using clay bar is a bit tricky process, as this particular substance should not fall on the ground, then you won't be able to use it. So let me start this procedure. In this area I find some contaminants. So for clay bar you need some lubrication. You can use any shampoo. Remember to lubricate your car body adequately before applying your clay bar. invest in a good hand spray, as it will be easier for you to handle. So I have always preferred to use a hand spray that has got a pump type of sprayer. So the clay bar process is complete. As you can see, some contaminants have come in this particular clay bar. Now I will again wipe this shampoo off. Particular video will help you to find the all steps that you will require to polish your car, especially hand polish your car at home. See, the entire surface is absolutely smooth, as I have clay barred the entire panel. To the next step, what will be the next step? This is the main part. Once you get your car and you find that there are scale marks, you find even in a new car, I have seen some of my friends or some of my viewers who have purchased a new car, even their car contains several swirl marks because they don't clean and wash the car properly at showrooms. So they want you to go through a paint correction process. So basically this is the difference between your polishing and waxing part. Now this car is ready for paint correction or the polishing part, where it will remove all the swirl marks or hairline scratches and make the car ready for waxing. So remember, the first step will be to clean your car. Then if you find some abrasions, you go for clay bar process. Now this process will be for your paint correction process. So for this, my favorite product is Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. If the scratches and swirl marks are deeper, you need to go for a machine paint correction. That won't be possible by hand. It will be possible, but it's very laborious and tedious job. So it can handle all the minor scratches and swirl marks easily. So my next step will be applying this product. For this, I will be using a microfiber applicator pad. Let me shake this bottle. This is also a very trusted product and I am using this for the last 10 years, if not more. This is best for applying this product. Advantages of using this microfiber applicator pad is that these are reusable. You can wash and use it again. Gentle circular motion, gentle circular motions. Now I will wait for some time and buff up the particular polish to bring back the shine. Now the polish has dried to a haze. Now I will buff it off, as you can see. So let's buff it off. So you can easily understand the difference. I think it won't be properly visible in camera. So the shine is getting back. So let's do it to the entire bonnet area, which I have prepared for this test purpose. So you can see all the swirl marks or hairline cracks that were visible has gone. So this is actually what is called polishing. This is the polishing part. Polishing part means correcting your paint and bringing back the gloss. Now the surface is ready. As you can see, I have brought back the gloss and it is giving a brilliant shine. Now this particular polished area is without any protection. So if you leave the car like this, it will be prone to dust, or it will prone to water spots, and it will attract all the dust and grime. So in order to give it a protection, now the waxing part will come. Now for waxing there are several choices depending upon the level of protection you want to go and how much you are going to spend. You can go for paste wax, you can go for liquid wax, you can go for ceramic spray. There is also a cheaper option, ice seal and shine, that I have made a video few days back. But now my favorite product is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Graphene Spray, which I have already made a dedicated video about this product. Now I will apply this product for protection. This gives a very good protection, and also this product is known for very good hydrophobic properties. So let us spray it up. Remember, while applying this type of product, even waxes, do not apply too much, then it will be difficult for you to buff and it will lead to streaks. Final part, shake well before use. Apply with the help of an applicator pad. Two to three sprays per panel is more than sufficient. Now I will buff it off. So the entire panel is ready. You can see the smoothness, also you can feel the slippery effect of this particular graphene spray, and the entire panel is ready. So I have shown you each and every step that you should follow if you want to go for a hand polish of your car at home. The process is very easy, and if you follow these steps perfectly, it will give you very good results. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have any questions regarding this application procedure, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I am always ready to give you all the answers. So thank you very much, and please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.